Hello, fellas watching around the world. Welcome back to another episode of the Zaki Crypto Update. Today, we're diving into some critical news about Cardano ADA that you won't want to miss. So stick around until the end to get all the details. Before we dive into today's update, remember that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and the content presented here is not financial advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Cardano's ADA is facing some serious headwinds, and the entire crypto community is buzzing with concern and speculation. Over the last 24 hours, the price of ADA has dropped by 4.5%, struggling along with the rest of the crypto market, which itself is down by 1.7%. But what's really causing a stir in the Cardano community is a leaked proposal that could potentially lead to a significant 10% drop in ADA's price. In recent days, futures traders have increasingly started betting against ADA, placing more short positions as the price continues to struggle. If this bearish sentiment gains further momentum, the market could be on the brink of witnessing losses that exceed a staggering $2.3 billion. But what's the story behind this potential plunge? What factors are contributing to this market unease? Let's break it down step by step. At the heart of this unfolding situation is a leaked proposal that has sent shockwaves through the Cardano community. This proposal reveals a request for 200 million ADA tokens, a massive sum, equating to around $74 million. The proposal, which was leaked on August 26th, originated from the venture capital organization 3UTXO. According to the leaked documents, 3UTXO planned to make this request once Voltaire Cardano's much anticipated governance era went live. The reaction from the Cardano community has been intense and divided. Many members are questioning how such a large sum could be requested, especially when there are concerns about whether the Treasury has enough funds to support this kind of proposal. The community's apprehension is understandable. Minus 200 million ADA is not a small amount, and the implications of such a large request are significant. One of the most vocal critics of the proposal has been Jaromir Tezar, a prominent advocate for ADA and a well-respected voice within the community. Tezar has taken to social media and other platforms to publish a detailed explanation about the limitations of the Cardano treasury. In his explanation, he argues that even if Cardano achieves greater decentralization, the idea of dishing out 200 million coins for a single proposal is not only unrealistic, but could also be highly detrimental to the network's long-term sustainability. Tezar's concerns are echoed by many within the community who fear that the approval of such a proposal could lead to negative consequences for ADA's price and overall market confidence. The situation has sparked a broader debate about governance, transparency, and the future direction of Cardano, especially as it moves closer to the Voltaire era. Adding to the tension surrounding the proposal is the fact that Cardano's inflation rate has recently dropped to 0.42%, the lowest since June 6th, according to data from Santiment. Typically, a lower inflation rate is seen as a positive development for any cryptocurrency, as it indicates a reduction in the supply of new tokens being introduced into the market. This reduced supply can help stabilize or even increase the price of the token, depending on market demand. However, in the case of Cardano, the community's focus has shifted away from the inflation rate to the broader implications of the leaked proposal. While a lower inflation rate might typically be seen as a bullish indicator, the potential impact of a 200 million ADA request has overshadowed this positive development. The situation is further complicated by the recent delay of the Chang hard fork upgrade. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, announced that the upgrade has been postponed to September 1st. This delay was intended to provide more time for the necessary technical upgrades and to ensure that the transition is as smooth as possible. However, the timing of this delay has added to the uncertainty surrounding Cardano, as many in the community are concerned about the impact of the postponed upgrade on ADA's price and market stability. As the controversy around the proposal continues to unfold, the broader market sentiment towards Cardano has turned increasingly bearish. Data from the CoinLast liquidation map LM reveals that futures traders have identified an opportunity to short ADA, with the cumulative short liquidity leverage currently outweighing the longs. This imbalance in market sentiment suggests that many traders are anticipating a further decline in ADA's price. The trend of increasing short positions is particularly concerning for ADA holders, as it indicates that the market is bracing for a further drop. A deeper analysis of the LM shows a massive sell wall around $0.379, while the buy wall representing demand is shrinking. This imbalance between selling pressure and buying interest suggests that the bears are in control, and unless there's a significant shift in sentiment or market conditions, ADA could be headed for more losses. For those who are new to the concept of shorting, it's important to understand that shorting involves borrowing an asset, in this case, ADA, and selling it at the current market price with the intention of buying it back at a lower price in the future. If the price drops, the short seller profits from the difference. However, if the price rises, the short seller could face significant losses. The increasing number of short positions on ADA is a clear indicator that many traders are betting on a price decline, and this bearish sentiment is creating additional downward pressure on ADA's price. Given the current market dynamics, it's crucial to identify potential support and resistance levels where ADA might find some stability. According to data from Interblock and a closer look at the LM, ADA may find some support between $0.355 and $0.367, as well as between $0.3331 and $0.331 and $0.347. These price levels represent areas where buying interest could potentially outweigh selling pressure, providing some relief from the recent downward trend. However, it's also important to consider the possibility that ADA could break below these support levels. If that happens, the potential losses could be significant. According to Interblock data, if ADA's price falls below these key support levels, over $2.3 billion worth of Cardano could be lost, a scenario that would be devastating for ADA holders in the broader Cardano ecosystem. In the last 24 hours alone, Cardano's open interest OI has increased by 5.27%, while the price dropped by 4.5%, according to Coinalyze. This data suggests that more traders are entering short positions, confirming the bearish outlook for ADA. The buildup of short positions is a strong indication that the market is expecting further price declines, and unless there's a significant shift in sentiment or a major positive development, the downward trend is likely to continue. So what does this all mean for ADA holders in the Cardano community? The combination of the controversial 200 million ADA proposal, the delayed Chang hard fork, and the growing bearish sentiment among traders suggests that Cardano is facing some tough times ahead. If the shorts continue to pile up and the price support levels fail to hold, we could see ADA drop by 10% or more in the coming days. However, it's important to remember that the crypto market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable. While the current outlook may seem bleak, things can change quickly in the world of cryptocurrency. The Cardano community is known for its resilience and dedication, and with the upcoming Voltaire era, there are still opportunities for recovery and growth. For those who are invested in ADA or considering entering the market, it's crucial to stay informed and keep a close eye on the latest developments. The situation is fluid, and new information could emerge at any time that could change the course of ADA's price action. Whether you're a long-term believer in Cardano or a trader looking for short-term opportunities, being informed and prepared is key to navigating these challenging market conditions. As we wrap up this update, I want to remind everyone that the crypto market is full of risks and opportunities. It's important to approach every investment with caution and to make decisions based on thorough research and analysis. The situation with Cardano is a perfect example of how quickly things can change in the world of cryptocurrency, and staying informed is the best way to protect your investments. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest and most important news in the world of crypto. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of AZCoiner Crypto Update.